she's a big fat witch, she's the biggest bitch in the whole wide world. She's a stupid bitch.
Please stop bouncing on me.
News just in. I am naked.
So, do you like stuff?
Well, Cosmo's a bitch, she's a big fat witch, she's the biggest bitch in the whole wide world. She's a stupid bitch, and everyone's a bitch, she's a bitch to all the boys and girls. On Monday she's a bitch, on Tuesday she's a bitch, and Wednesday to Saturday she's a bitch. Then on Sunday, just to be different, she's a super king, Kamehameha, bitch. Have you ever met my friend Cosmo? She's the biggest bitch in the whole wide world. She's a mean old bitch, and she has stupid hair. She's a bitch, 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 she's a stupid bitch. Cosmo's a bitch, and she's just a dirty bitch. Talk to kids around the world, it might go a little bit something like this.
Have you ever met my friend Cosmo? She's the biggest bitch in the whole wide world. She's a mean old bitch, and she has stupid hair. She's a bitch, 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 bitch.